Apex 3 inches Freestyle FPV drone, built for performance, tuned for precision. Take your Freestyle FPV game to the next level with the Apex 3-inch Freestyle RC Drone, a lightweight, powerful, and ultra-responsive platform made for precision flying, explosive power, and crystal-clear FPV video transmission. Whether you're ripping tight proximity lines through bando gaps, hitting power loops in the park, or chasing cinematic flows on mountaintops, this micro-freestyle quad delivers performance that rivals many 5-inch builds, all while staying under the radar in weight and size. Drone overview: wheelbase, 147 mm. Weight: dry, 176 grams. Frame material: 4 mm carbon arms, 2 mm side plates, 1.5 mm top plate. Prop size: 3-inch tri-blade, 3020. Flight time: 4 to 6 minutes on 4S 450 mAh, battery not included. Top speed: 50 to 80 km per hour. Recommended batteries: 4S 6S LiPo. Compact and aggressive, the Apex 3 inches frame is built for tight freestyle lines and agile movement. The 3-inch prop format strikes the perfect balance between thrust, efficiency, and lightweight maneuverability. Flight controller: FC F405 Pro. Processor: STM32F400 5168 MHz. Gyro: ICM42688P. Black box: 16 MB. OSD: AT7456E. Barometer: yes. Beck output: 5 volts at 2.5A and 10 volts at 2A. Firmware: Betaflight 4.4.2 JHEF405PRO, hex. Mounting: 20 by 20 mm, M3. Ports: UART 1, 3, 4, 6 plus I2C. Other: built-in buzzer, LED strip support, voltage, current sensors. The F405 brings smooth flight, powerful filtering, and tons of UARTs for extensibility, GPS, GO3, etc., making this FC future-proof and easy to tune. ESC40A 4-in-1, BlueJ firmware. Input voltage: 3 to 6S. Continuous current: 48 times 4. Signal protocol: D-Shot 150, 3/600ths. Mounting: 20 by 20 mm M3. Current sensor: yes. Weight: 5.2 grams. BlueJ firmware enables smooth throttle control, RPM filtering, and bidirectional D-Shot, crucial for ultra-fine flight performance and modern Betaflight features. Motors: 1505 3450 kV V2. Configuration: 9N12P. Voltage: supports 4S 6S. Peak current: 6S, 23.6A. Dimensions: 20 times 15.4 mm. Shaft: 2 mm. Weight: 14.3 grams, with wires. These motors deliver insane punch on 4S and plenty of grunt for mid-throttle cruising or snappy tricks. A sweet spot of torque and speed for 3 inches freestyle builds. Camera: Robin 31200 TVL FPV camera. Sensor: 1/3 CMOS. Resolution: 1200 TVL. FOV: D 150 degrees H, 120 degrees V, 87 degrees. Size: 19 x 19 by 19 mm. Weight: 5.3 grams. Signal: NTSC PAL switchable. Power input: 5 to 23 volts. Day, night. Color: BW. Menu control. Cable: the Robin 3 is a lightweight analog cam offering sharp visuals, wide dynamic range, and excellent performance in varied light conditions. VTX 5.8 GHz 1W with smart audio. Power output: 25, 100 200ths, 400 1,000ths of a milliwatt. Voltage input: 7 to 26 volts. Beck output: 5 volts. Antenna: MMCX. Control: TBS Smart Audio. Channels: 48CH. Mounting: 20 by 20 mm and 30.5 by 30.5 mm. Size: 29 x 29 mm and 37.5 x 37.5 mm. Reliable penetration and a solid 1 km image range make this VTX perfect for both freestyle and mid-range cruising. Smart audio allows in-flight power and channel changes. Receiver: ELRS 2.4 GHz or 915 MHz. ELRS 2.4 GHz Nano. Refresh rate: 25 to 500 Hz. Telemetry power: 20 dBm. Connector: IPEX-1. Weight: 1.6 grams. ELRS 915 MHz Nano. Frequency: 915 MHz. IC: SX1276 plus ESP8285. Power input: 3.6 to 5.5 volts. Weight: 0.6 grams. Size: 11 x 18 mm. Both receivers support low latency, long range, and full telemetry when paired with Express LRS modules, the gold standard in FPV signal systems. Why choose the Apex 3? Lightweight and agile for tight freestyle gaps. 3-inch platform with the power of 5-inch performance. Rock-solid electronics with Bluejay ESC and F405 FC. Clean FPV feed from Robin 3 and 1 WVTX. ELRS receiver options for unmatched control. Sub 250 GAUW potential depending on battery and build. What's included? 1 Apex 3 inches Freestyle FPV drone, PNP or BNF. 1 Robin 3 FPV camera, pre-installed. 1 5.8 GHz VTX, smart audio. 4 30203 blade props, installed. Optional: ELRS 2.4 GHz, 915 MHz receiver, BNF model only. Battery, charger, and radio not included unless specified.